Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create hamburger poster design in Canva mobile. So if you want to design a mouth-watering hamburger poster using just your phone, in this tutorial I'll show you step by step on how you can create it using Canva on mobile. So first you can just open the Canva mobile app, and here you can just tap on the plus icon in here and choose the poster size. Here I'm going to search for poster. Okay, this one you can choose whether you want to go with landscape or portrait. Here I'm going to just go with advertising poster, this one. Click on the size, and the blank canvas will be open. Now you can just add the hamburger image. You can just tap on elements in here and find the photos options. Click on see all and search for hamburger photo. So pick a high quality image. Let's say I'm going to just use this one. Here you can adjust and center it on the canvas. Okay, I'm going to go like this. And now you can add background and elements. You can tap on the background and choose a bold color or use gradient. Here, let's say I'm going to, let's see. Okay, I'm going to use this orange yellowish color, gradient color. And you can add shapes or illustration for the styles. Here I'm going to go with the elements in here, and I'm going to add some shapes or illustration in here. Let's just add these graphics. Okay, I'm going to add this one in here, and I'm going to put it on top. And now you can insert price tag and stars or decorative icons. I'm going to put it in here and add the price. So I'm going to go to tags, and here let's say I'm going to just write the price now only $2. You can change the font and also use a bold and contrast color for the text. Change the font size and also the font in here at the bottom. And I'm going to change the font. Okay, I've already changed the font and also the color. You can just adjust the positions, and in here you can add decorative items again on the poster. So I'm going to add this dots in here. You can also go to the Magic Studio or Magic Recommendations if you want to add elements on your poster. Here I'm going to use this one in here and change. Okay, And for the final touch, you can align all elements neatly, check the spacing, add logo if needed, and preview your design. And don't forget to also add interesting titles. Here I'm going to add burger deal today, for example, and I'm going to put it on top. And again, don't forget to change the phone and also the size. Okay guys, so that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.